Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo dynamic content with brand visuals step by step clearly. To install Klaviyo dynamic content with brand visuals, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab in the dashboard. Select the campaign you want to edit or create a new one. Once in the campaign editor, locate the email content section. Click on the block where you want to add dynamic content. From the left sidebar, select the Dynamic Content option. Choose the type of dynamic content you want to insert. For brand visuals, opt for either image or text-based dynamic content. Within the dynamic content settings, define the criteria for your audience segment. Specify which brand visuals to display based on those criteria. Upload your brand visuals to the asset library if you haven't done so already. Ensure your visuals meet the recommended dimensions for optimal display. After uploading, return to the dynamic content settings. Select your uploaded visual from the asset library. Preview the dynamic content to check if it displays correctly. Make adjustments as necessary until you achieve the desired result. Save your changes once you are satisfied with the setup. Continue designing the rest of your email as necessary. When finished, proceed to finalize your campaign. Review all sections to ensure everything is in place. Schedule or send your campaign to your selected audience. Monitor the campaign's performance to evaluate the dynamic content's effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.